Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I have just gotten done filming two cooking videos and my kitchen is kind of a disaster. And my husband will be home in about an hour. I like to be able to, when he gets home, we eat dinner and I can relax, he can relax, and we can enjoy our evening. However, when the kitchen's a mess, I can't relax. So I thought I would just kind of straighten up, bring you guys along for the journey, and hopefully it motivates you if you need some. So stick around and I will get cleaning this disaster. Okay, so this is my disaster zone. All of those dishes are all just sitting here by the sink waiting to be rinsed and put into my dishwasher. My counters definitely need some love, so does my stove top. The floor needs swept horribly. I have a Norwegian elk hound mix, and if you have any of those, you know you get little presents everywhere. They're called fur balls. So I need to sweep and vacuum. If I get time, I would like to come in here and just kind of pick up. We just got done with our weekend. Our weekend is Sunday, Monday. Today is Tuesday. And we kind of enjoy the weekend. And you can surely tell I haven't vacuumed. My shoes are still out. I have puppy toys in the living room and in the kitchen. They're little squirrels. My sister got my dog a little squirrel toy for Christmas. But that is it. I have not put my regular decorations out yet. I have gotten all my Christmas stuff cleaned up, but not my regular stuff put out. So I thought instead of putting it out in a dirty, dusty house, I'm gonna clean it. So hopefully I'll get to the kitchen and get to the living room. All right, let's. That is it after a very quick tidy up after recipe vlogging day, I guess. I don't know. I hope it gave you the cleaning motivation you were looking for. Nice Charlie girl. If you liked today's video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like what I do here, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Until next time, guys, I will see you.